In problem 25, I will determine if a point is on a line. Step 1 is to substitute the coordinates of each point. Here's point A, here's point C. So I'm going to take this x value and substitute it for this variable, and I'm going to take this y value and substitute it for this variable. So when I do that, the equation becomes negative 6 multiplied by 1/2 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, and does this equal to 0? So now I will simplify this expression and see what we end up with. This is actually an equation. I will simplify this equation and see what result we get. Negative 6 times 1/2 is negative 3. Minus 3 multiplied by a negative 2 is a positive 6. And the question is, does this equal 0? Negative 3 plus 6 is equal to positive 3. So we get the statement 3 equal to 0. Step 2 is telling us to check. If the result is true, then the point is on the line. 3 equal to 0 is false. Because this is false, we can state that point A is not on the line. We want to do the same thing with point C. We want to substitute the coordinates and determine if this equation is true or false. So we begin by substituting these values into x and y. So we have negative 6 multiplied by a negative 3, minus 3 multiplied by a 6, and this is equal to 0. If we simplify the expressions and then get a final result, we can then check if the result is true or not. Negative 6 times a negative 3 is a positive 18, minus 3 times 6 is also an 18, equal to 0. 18 minus 18 does equal 0. 0 equal to 0 is true, and it states here that if the result is true, then the point is on the line. Because this is true, we can say that point C is